Today we're working on a C-Series Mercedes 2006. What we're going to show you how to do is how to drop the driver's side dash here, and then we're going to follow through to the center console to get access to the ignition switch. First step is we're going to pull off the side cover here. Using your plastic pull, just pull outwards and then slide it out. Now you got one torque screw down here down at the bottom. Next is going to be the light switch. There's a screw below the light switch behind the parking brake release that we're going to unscrew. There's two for the park brake. It's the one towards the front that you're going to unscrew. For the light switch itself, there's two retaining clips, one from this side and then one from the other side. The light switch will come right out and we can disconnect it. There's one screw up at the top left of the dash. There's one in the middle. It's the top left one that we're going to remove. Now you're going to remove the bottom screws for this black panel, and then there's going to be two screws holding on the dash panel. Now the dash on this side of the dash will pull down. Now we're ready for the removal of the center console.